Welcome back to Byte, Business Intelligence for Trade Enforcement. In this video, we will delve deeper into the byte list, focusing on functions within the module, the search function, filters, and the data table. Upon opening the byte list, the module automatically appears. Here's what you'll find. There are 4 independent, searchable dashboards included in the byte list module. Byte list contains Byte's proprietary list of second and third tier entities. PEPs and beneficial ownership includes lists of politically exposed persons and entities with vested interests in sanctioned companies. Debarred entities includes entities that are listed as not eligible to do business with the United States federal government. ESG and forced labor includes lists of entities with various ESG indicators. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Enter your keywords and press Enter to retrieve relevant search results. You have the option to use filters to refine your view. Filters can be applied with or without the search function. There are 3 filter options: list name, investigative domain, or country of entity. The results of your query are displayed in the entities table below the filters and dashboard count. Results are paginated with 50 results per page. Each entity in the table has an arrow next to its name. Clicking on this arrow opens the full entity record, providing additional information that may not be visible in the table view. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the byte list. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your company's trade screening capabilities and safeguarding against high-risk trade entities. If you ever run into issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at byte@newborders.com. Our support team is here to help.